Hey guys, today we've got Huda Beauty's brand new Glowish Bright Light Hydrating Concealer. A sheer to light coverage concealer that leaves your under eyes looking bright, glowing, and refreshed. So this is it. The packaging isn't super luxe. It's, just standard plastic, squeezable packaging. This is the doe foot. It's kind of a cute doe foot. I've seen it before. It's nothing innovative. So this is the color. It is going on quite sheer, and there are 15 shades in the collection. This does blend out actually quite nice, but I actually picked up the color 1. This is color 1 Fair. So this is for fair skin with neutral undertones, hence me, basically. I have fair skin with neutral undertones. I have a little bit of redness right here today, and of course a little zit right here, one right here. That time of the month, no judgment. You guys know I have really great skin, but I am human, and it happens to everyone. So this is actually a really great day to test out this concealer, because we're going to see how this covers the red. I did go in with a retinol the other night, and I just did a whole retinol peel. I left it on overnight, and I just did the whole thing. So it's got a little bit dry and I've got a little redness, but we're really kind of getting ready for that spring and refreshing that. So if you guys actually want to see a full skincare video, like what I'm actually doing to make this beautiful skin happen, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm thinking about filming it, but only if you guys want to see it. So there are only 15 shades in this. That disappoints me. For honestly a company like Huda Beauty, and in this day and age, 15 shades, that bothers me, because when you look at most, concealer launches, foundation launches, they're 40 to 50 to almost 60 plus shades. Now this is very sheer, as you guys can see. I tested it on the back of my hand, and I mean, that is a good match. That blended in super amazing. So I'm hoping that this shade range, the line of only 15 shades, does work for a good amount of people, but that is something I am worried about. Today I'm going to go in, I'm going to underpaint one side of my face, and on the other side of my face I will go in, lay down my foundation and apply my concealer over top, which is the method I normally do when I'm doing my foundation, but to test this out I figured let's do it both ways, right? I'm just going to go in and take this doe foot, start right here under my eye, do a couple little spots right there. Now I normally make a V here. You guys have seen me apply my concealer before. I'm going to apply just a little bit right here under my brow bone, right here because I'm pulling red. Alright, so far I'm not loving that. I know I'm going to have to go in and re-dip. The brush is feeling a little dry. I'm going to go in, apply some to my chin. I've got some redness right here, so we're just going to conceal that. Now I do have on this side of my face, which we're not working on right now, this hyperpigmentation spot, which you guys know because I complain about it pretty much in every video. So I always conceal that spot, so just to match it up, because I don't want a brighter spot on one side and not the other, I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer right here. Alright, so that is the concealer laydown. So to blend that concealer, I'm going to pick up a brush just to blend it out. So today we're picking up this foundation brush right here from It Cosmetics. It's just a good little fluffy brush. I like it a lot, just for blending and also for applying contour. Okay, so far it blends out super great. There is absolutely no scent to this whatsoever, which I love. I'm glad that the brand did that and they didn't add any scent to this. Okay, so I have this little zit right here, and it's actually covering it pretty decent, given, the redness when you get a pimple. This is not like an intense red carpet kind of full coverage vibe. It's not giving me that at all. It's not claiming to either. It's just like a very natural, beautiful finish for like that everyday no makeup look. Okay, that right there, I'm impressed. I actually pull a lot of blue because I have a vein that you can prominently see right under my eye that pulls a lot of blue and purple vibes that I never actually use any color correctors for. I'm not really big on color correctors because I am super fair and I run a little bit blue to neutral. And honestly, that's impressive. So I'm just blending this out. Obviously, I've already gone in, done my brows. My eyeshadow is feeling a very sparkly vibe today, feeling those spring sparkles. And I'm loving that. Like, look at the coverage I got under my eye. I'm impressed, very impressed. So I'm just going in just like that, to blend that out. Okay, given the fact that I have nothing on this side of my face, I'm actually, wow, like really, really impressed. Let's go in. I'm going to apply my foundation all over my face, and then we'll apply the concealer on this side, and that way you guys can see the difference. So now that we have the foundation on my face, again, I want to bring you guys to the side that I did underpaint. I am seeing a lot of redness come through, and that vein, I can still see it. It is a very sheer coverage concealer, and I probably will go in and conceal on top of this just to kind of build that up and show you guys that method. But right now, considering this is like finished minus the powder and everything else, I would put on top of this like my liquid blush and bronzer and whatnot. Just for underpainting with that concealer, it's not giving me the full coverage, not even full coverage. It's just not giving me the coverage that I'm desiring because it is a very light coverage product. It is pretty though. It's very pretty. So if you're going for like a very natural look, it's really nice. But let's go in and do it over top of the foundation on this side. I want to see the difference. Let's go in and apply this. Same as the other side. I'm going in. I like this doe foot though, I'm not going to lie, because it's like tiny enough but round enough I can really get in there under my eye. And we're just going to apply some of that right there. It's probably a little bit much, but I really am trying to conceal a little bit more. Again, I would apply some right here on my cheek. We're going to go down right here. Do the other half of the V that I normally put there. A little bit right under my eye for brightening purposes. We're going to apply that on the hyperpigmentation spot. And bring it down here to my chin. Alright, so I'm going to take that same brush that I was using, and I'm just going to tap that out. Okay. Kind of like that. Again, tapping it out right here. I can still see it. I don't like seeing it, but it is decent coverage for what it is, a really light, sheer concealer. I don't mind it. So I'm just going to do my nose, just tap that out, and right here. I feel like it gives really good brightening. Definitely brightening. I can see it under my eye. I can see it right here, this cheek area. Given the fact that I have redness on both sides, we did the underpainting on this side. This is pulling more red for me. And over top of the foundation, it's honestly looking pretty good. I like a little bit more coverage. It's my personal vibe. But for a very light coverage concealer, I'm not mad at this. Like, I could wear this, go out and be comfortable, and it feels good. Like, it feels really, really good. Not drying. It's very hydrating. It's like a really pretty formula. I love this. Because I haven't loved, and I mean it, like I really haven't loved a lot of her foundation products over the past 3 years. There's been some hits and some misses. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If you're an OG to the channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I've had some good experiences and I've had some bad experiences. This one is definitely a good experience. I'm happy to recommend this to you guys. This is $36 Canadian, which is basically a standard price for a concealer. Fenty, Too Faced, they're all in that ballpark. So I really like it. I think it's a beautiful product. It's a great price, and it's coming up on sale very, very soon at the Sephora VIB sale. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely I recommend it. If you guys loved this product right here, I think this would pair amazingly well with the brand new Say Glowy Skin Foundation. So definitely check out that video right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye.